What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to redirect a post, a page, or URL into our WordPress website for free, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose international sites favor. So let's get this started. First thing, let's learn why and what we're gonna do. Into this video, we're gonna learn how to redirect. Imagine the following scenario. You have this post, you have shared this post on social media, some people read this post, you got this post indexed by Google, but you need to move this post to another post, or you need to move a page to another page because this page will no longer exist, the product will no longer exist. How to do this? First thing, you need to get the page URL and go to your WordPress dashboard, okay? Here into the WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins, okay? And click into the submenu, add new plugin. A lot of plugins request you to pay to get this simple feature, but you can get things for free. Review the upper right corner of your screen next to keyword and go to search plugins and type 301 redirect. 301 redirect, easy redirect manager. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. The plugin gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, and there is the tooltip right here, but nothing to worry. Review the left sidebar menus on your WordPress dashboard once again and go to settings. Right here we're gonna be able to see a new submenu called 301 redirect. The 301 code means that the page has been moved permanently, okay? The plugin will try to sell you the pro version, okay? All we have to do is type ask on your keyboard to close this tab, and you're gonna be able to access the free features. And right here you have all you need, okay? Redirect rules. There is 404 error log, okay? Imagine that someone accesses your page, a page that no longer exists on your site. You're gonna be able to see the log right here, okay? Link scanner for pro users, tools and options, support and pro. We have some pro options, some tools to empty cache, import rules and export rules, okay? But the most important part for us is the redirect rules, okay? Right here, imagine the following scenario. You will like to redirect this post, review the URL. So we're gonna copy the URL, the link of this post, and go to redirect form right here. And of course, we can change, okay, the ID 301, 302, 307 and off, okay? I recommend that you use 301. It's better for SEO, but it changes according to your needs, okay? But normally 301 fix most of the issues. Now you're gonna redirect to a page, a post, media, template, post type, product, in the case that you have products on your site. So imagine that you would like to redirect this post to a custom post. The custom can be any kind of URL. You can enter a URL that does not belong to your site or belongs to another site of yours, but the easier way, okay, in the case that you want to redirect a page to another page of the same site, just copy the page URL, in my case is this one, and place right here and click on save. Now if anyone try to access or post the testing redirects, let me copy the post URL and go there. It's gonna be redirected to our home page. There is other ways. Imagine that, for example, you would like to redirect to another site. If you redirect, for example, let me delete this redirect. You still can edit a redirect or delete the redirect in the case that you want, and you can add new redirects. 301. Now I would like to redirect this post to a page of our site. What page? You can see all of the pages of my site right here. Can be to another post as well. Imagine that I would like to redirect this post to another post. What post? Hello world. Save change. Now, if I try to access this post, I'm gonna be redirected to their hello world. Same happens in the case that you want to redirect your site to another site, okay? It's a really simple and effective method. And you can see some graphics right here of how many people click it onto your redirect, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And what if I do this? Page not found. As you can see, there is a page not found log right here. So as you can notice, very, very complete work. Simple, effective, and works great for free. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for Sites.gallery, a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your page, your landing page, your game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, widgets, blocks, and many, many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!